Hello students, welcome to my channel. In my today's grammar class, my topic is adverbs and classification of adverbs. See students, you know already what is an adverb. An adverb is a word which qualifies the verb. Already we have seen what is adverb. Now we will see in that classification of adverbs. That means in that some different kinds of adverbs will be there. Adverbs means what? Adverbs means the words which qualify the verb. They are called as adverbs. Yes, my dear students. Now you understood what is adverb. Now today we are learning classification of adverbs. In that, how many kinds are there in the adverbs? See, the first one is simple adverb. Simple. See here example. Simple adverb simply modifies some word. What word it modifies? It modifies the action word. Here see example. He reads well. Well is saying about the reading. He reads well. How he reads? He reads well. Simple. So this is a simple adverbs are like the simple words. Just they have to say about the word. They are simple adverb. He reads well. He runs fast. He drank hot coffee. Sometimes some adjectives play as the role of here adverb. Here see, he drank hot coffee. Coffee is a noun. Hot coffee is an adjective. Here it is an adjective. Sometimes some adverbs. This is here acting as an adverb. Actually it is adjective. So this is what a simple adverb. Then next comes interrogative adverb. See, the word itself is saying that interrogative means questioning. You know, questioning. Here in the question, the words must ask about the work or action. See here, an interrogative adverb is used to ask a question. As well as modifying some word. After asking the question, it modifies the word. See here, when did they go? Here go is action word. Now the question about he is going only. When did they go? Avaru yavaga hodaru. This kind of words here, when did they go? This is interrogative adverb. Why are you late? Here question for late. Why are you late? So this is what interrogative adverb. Then the third kind of classification of the adverbs is conjunctive adverb. See, conjunctive adverb. Conjunctive adverb means what? It is introduced to the connections of the actions. Here there is connection. A conjunctive adverb is introduced to the connections of the actions modifying some words. Due to that words, there will be some connections. See example, I shall speak to him. Okay, I shall speak to him when he comes. Here, the conjunctive adverb is when. It is connecting these two sentences here. That is conjunctive adverb. I shall speak to him when he comes. ನಾನು ಅವನ ಜೊತೆ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಅವನು ಯಾವಾಗ ಬರ್ತಾನೋ ಆವಾಗ. I do not know when he comes. ನನಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಅವನು ಯಾವಾಗ ಬರ್ತಾನೋ ಅಂತ. See, like this, these two when we are using here, no? Such kind of words are called as conjunctive adverbs. See the next one and the last one, that is a relative adverb. Relative adverb is a relative adverb not only modifies some word, It not only modifies the word but also refers to back to some antecedent, some incident, the last or the past incident it refers. See the example. See, I remember the house where I was born. Here the last antecedent is where I was born. Past incident it is. It refers, the first sentence refers the one past incident. I remember the house where I was born. ನಾ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಹುಟ್ಟೀನಿ ಆ ಮನೆ ನನಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತು. ಇದು ಹಿಂದಿನ ಒಂದು ಸ್ಥಿತಿಯನ್ನು ಅಥವಾ ಹಿಂದಿನ ಒಂದು ಪ್ರಸಂಗವನ್ನು ನೆನಪಿಸಿಕೊಂಡು ಹೇಳುವ ಒಂದು ವಾಕ್ಯ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವುದು ರಿಲೇಟಿವ್ adverb? Here the relative adverb is where. I remember the house where I was born. The next, I do not know the reason why he failed. I do not know the reason. ನನಗೆ ಕಾರಣ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಅವನು ಏಕೆ ಫೇಲ್ ಆದನು ಅಂತ. Here one incident, antecedent is what? He failed. Why he failed? Here why is a relative adverb. So this is what classification of adverbs. There are 4 classifications. Already you understood them. So thank you children. Thank you for watching my channel, and also please don't forget to share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.